In this video, I'm going to show you a neat little application for that clipping mask we talked about several videos back. I'm sure all of you have seen those promotional brochures for beach resorts where they have the letters or the title of the resort filled in with waves or pictures of the resort itself. Well, it's actually really easy to do that in Photoshop, and I'll show you how. What I have here is an image of a circuit board. And I'm going to put some text on here and then clip this image to that text. So this image fills the text. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and pick up my text tool and then pick up a font. I've got Impact, which is a nice heavy font, large font size. Let me make that even larger. And I'm going to go ahead and make it all caps and give myself a text frame. And it filled it with my foreground color. Nothing great so far, right? All I've got is some text on top of that image. My goal here is to make this filled with the circuit image. Let me make this even larger. There you go. To do that, my text in my palettes, in my layers palette, my text layer needs to be below my image. So I'm going to do is click and drag and put it below my circuit image. Now it looks like it's gone, but if I turn the eye off, it's right there, right? So I'm going to fill this with the circuit image. While I'm here in the layers palette, simple clipping mask, hover between the two layers, hold down my option key till I get this down arrow and this square, white square, click, voila. It was that simple. Notice how you have this down arrow, it is clipping this image to this text layer. I can select, my image is selected, I can select where, what part of it is filling that text. I can certainly move my text itself around. Maybe it's still text, so I can still, I can use my type tools. I can come in and bring up my character and my paragraph type tools. All of that is right here. Maybe I decide I want to reduce the kerning, increase the kerning, all of that. That's a little too tight, right? How about that? Didn't do it either. Okay, we've got a value in here. That's still too tight. Let's make that. Okay. Okay, that'll do for now. And I'm going to close this off so we don't have to have that distraction right there. And now we see the image that was below it. You can even have several images layered this way, something clipping something, and remember, deck of cards, layers of acetate. You can now apply effects to this. I can have my text layer selected. I can bring up my blending options. And maybe I want to choose bevel and emboss. I can do more things with it. Maybe I want to drop shadow. Click OK when you've got something you like. Now this could just as easily have been those crashing waves or anything, right? So this was just one of the applications. They are wonderful different things that you can do with all these tools available to you.